Number 1.
1985 Chevrolet S10, price $4,000, featuring a 2.8L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 120,000 miles on the odometer, it's been daily driven for the past 2 years, so the mileage may continue to increase. The exterior and interior are both finished in a matching blue, giving the truck a clean, uniform appearance. Mechanically, it's been carefully updated to ensure consistent performance. All engine seals were replaced a year ago to stop previous oil leaks, and the transmission was fully rebuilt at the same time. Performance upgrades include a Weber 38 DGES carburetor and an Edelbrock Performer Plus camshaft, improving throttle response and overall drivability. The truck rides on new tires and has been lowered 2 inches in the front and 3 inches in the rear for a sportier stance.
Number 2.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has 193,000 miles on it. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives well with cold air conditioning. The truck is powered by a gasoline engine and features a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior. It was recently repainted and sits on like new tires, making it a great daily driver. Several improvements have been made, including a new headliner and a recently installed fuel pump. However, there are still a few areas that could use attention. The windshield is cracked, the dashboard has the common cracking found in many of these models, and while the new paint looks good, it would benefit from a proper cut and buff to bring out its full shine. Overall, it's a well-maintained example of a late 90s Chevy pickup that's ready to hit the road with just a little bit of cosmetic TLC.
Number 3.
1975 Ford F100, price $8,900. With just 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vintage truck is powered by a big block 360 cubic inch V8 engine, an absolute beast under the hood. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it both powerful and easy to drive. Sporting a bold orange exterior matched by an orange interior, the truck exudes 1970s personality. It features dual fuel tanks for longer cruising, manual windows and doors for that authentic hands-on experience, and the all-metal build that defined an era of tough, reliable vehicles. While it may not have modern conveniences like Bluetooth or lane assist, it makes up for it with timeless features like the classic bench seat that turns every ride into a memory. Riding on brand new tires and original hubcaps mounted on freshly powder-coated wheels, this F100 is more than just a vehicle, it's a feeling. It's the kind of truck that brings back the magic of slow drives, leaning close on tight turns, and cruising toward a simpler time.
Number 4.
1995 Chevrolet S10, price $4,250. It has traveled approximately 228,000 miles and remains a dependable option for anyone in need of a versatile and practical pickup. It features a smooth shifting automatic transmission paired with a robust gasoline engine, delivering reliable performance along with solid fuel efficiency. The truck comes in a classic blue exterior with a clean gray interior, maintaining a straightforward and functional look. Known for its compact yet capable design, the S10 is ideal for both everyday city driving and weekend hauling projects. Its spacious bed provides ample room for transporting tools, equipment, or materials, while the comfortable cabin ensures a pleasant ride for driver and passengers alike.
Number 5.
1987 Ford F250, price $6,500, with just 89,500 miles on the odometer. Finished in a bold green exterior with a tan interior, the truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it packs a powerful 7.5L V8 engine, known for its strong torque and reliable performance. This rear-wheel drive F250 is towing ready, equipped with a fifth wheel hitch already installed. Rear airbags add to the truck's utility, offering improved load leveling and enhanced ride comfort when under pressure. Despite its age, the body and frame are solid, a testament to how well this truck has been cared for over the years.
The interior is in great shape, showcasing the classic lariat trim that was top tier in its time.
As expected from a vintage truck, there is some minor cosmetic wear, but nothing that detracts from its functionality or character.
Number 6.
1987 Toyota 4Runner, price $9,500. It has traveled 249,000 miles and features an automatic transmission paired with a reliable gasoline engine. Despite the high mileage, it starts, runs, and drives great, and is currently being used almost daily. One of the standout qualities of this 4Runner is its absolutely rust-free body. It comes with both a factory hardtop and a soft topper in good, usable condition, offering versatile open-air or enclosed driving experiences. The factory alloy wheels complement its sporty look, while the SR5 trim includes cloth bucket seats, factory air conditioning, power steering, and a factory sunroof. Inside, everything works as it should. Power windows and mirrors function perfectly, and even the cruise control operates, which is impressive for a vehicle of this age.
Number 7.
1983 Ford F150, price $3,500. This pickup is a dependable work truck powered by a smooth-running inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It has received numerous new parts, making it a solid and reliable daily performer. The truck doesn't come with factory air conditioning, but it includes an airbox from a factory A/C-equipped truck, offering potential for an upgrade. Fitted with a utility bed, this F150 is ideal for work-related use. It features brand new tires along with a matching spare wheel and tire. Recent mechanical upgrades include a new battery, power steering pump, distributor, fuel pump, fuel tank, carburetor, clutch, and starter.
Thanks to these improvements, the truck runs exceptionally well. Number 8.
1969 Chevrolet C10, price $8,999. Finished in a vibrant yellow paint with a white top, it has approximately 120,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, it retains its factory original V8 396 engine, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth and effortless driving. The truck is equipped with power steering and power brakes, making it more comfortable and safer to handle than many other vehicles of its era. A custom exhaust system gives it a deep, throaty rumble, while custom wheels and tires complete the stylish, aggressive stance. Inside, it features a custom brown interior, including finished headliners, door panels, and a nice bench seat that adds both comfort and flair. There's also a toolbox installed in the bed, offering added utility. As with many classic trucks of this vintage, it does have some rust in the typical areas, but nothing that takes away from its appeal or performance. It comes with a clean and clear title, ready for the next enthusiast or collector to enjoy.
Number 9.
1989 Dodge Dakota, price $7,900. Well-preserved classic pickup that still wears its original red paint and sheet metal, showing no signs of rust. Though the clear coat has faded on the flat surfaces and the iconic graphics have dried out, the overall body remains solid, with chips and dings typical for a 36-year-old vehicle. With 204,000 miles on the original 318 V8 engine and automatic transmission, the truck still runs and shifts well, demonstrating the durability of its drivetrain. Inside, the red interior complements the exterior, maintaining a consistent classic look. The truck came optioned with factory air conditioning, a valuable feature for comfort.
It also boasts a new exhaust system with a Borla muffler, giving it a deeper tone and improved performance. Number 10.
1993 Dodge W250, price $4,750, showing 98,500 miles on the odometer. Finished in green with a gray interior, it features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, the 360 V8 engine starts up easily and shows no signs of leaks.
The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the transfer case operates exactly as it should.
It's equipped with manual locking front hubs, offering reliable 4x4 capability. Inside, both the power windows and power mirrors are fully functional, and the air conditioning still works, providing comfort on hot days. However, the cruise control and power door locks are currently inoperative. The body shows its age with visible dents and faded clear coat, which is reflected in the affordable asking price.